All right, so I'm trying to get my Holley V3 started up. I had a ton of trouble getting it to take the firmware properly, especially the dash, which erased all the configurations. I had to reset it back to all defaults and then add back everything that I wanted in. With that being said, we can check everything here. It says it's build 3, Terminator Max is on build 3 110. So everything's the way it's supposed to be. In my ECU, the lights on the dash are all there, blue on number, I think it's number 6, but that should be fine. I reset the throttle position sensor. Now let's go ahead and give it a go. This is what it's been happening. Just that.